Hi everyone, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and today we will be discussing about how to fix low audio quality with Bluetooth headphones in Discord. So a lot of people suffer this type of issue on Discord. Now what you can do is simply on your Discord, let's say you are on a call with in a server or anything like that. Let's say you are in a server, you can see we have this option below, and here we have, you can say, different features, like for example if you want to simply turn on your noise suppression, so make sure to turn that on, and if it is already on, make sure to try it by turning this off. Or what you can do is simply head over to your settings, and here you have this option of voice and video, and from here simply check your mic is selected to what you are supposed to be using, and also test out your quality if you are having the perfect level of audio input. So that should be really important steps to follow, and it will hopefully be helping you guys out. So make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and do not forget to head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel. That will be super awesome, and see you in the next video.